So I'm back at Ronny's Creek after doing Mount Cape. I'm going to see if I can squeeze in Brewery Knob as well. GPS is saying it's roughly about 3.3 k's from Ronny Creek. I reckon should be able to smash it. And it's cleared up, which is great. So if it wasn't going to improve the weather, I wasn't going to go, but it's cleared up, so I'm going. Fairly good walking so far, plenty of pandani, some big ones, quite boggy in a few spots. Apart from that, pretty cruisy. Nice easy one by the looks. The wind, shower and cloud has definitely come in, blocking my views at the moment, but nearly at the summit, but hopefully it clears up. There you go guys, Brewery Knob summit completed. Didn't get a great 360 degree view, pretty much just 180. Cradle Mountain and Bluff was in cloud, so unfortunately didn't get a view of those bad boys, but I've seen them heaps of times, so it's not the end of the world. Alright, hope you enjoyed that video guys. Subscribe to the Nutrisize channel and I'll see you on the next adventure. Cheers.